My name is Bob King. Again, I'm a professional chainsaw artist, and we're here in Puyallup, Washington, the West Coast, of course. We're making some product for Jackson Hole, Wyoming, Burton snowboard run for the Stash run. The Yeti here, he's in a buffalo configuration. We still have to get the rifle done for him. Shreddy comes in all different shapes and sizes, by the way. We also have a moose jib for Jackson Hole. This is all kind of a western geared theme, you know, so the moose is going to fit good, Shreddy's going to work in there good, and we'll probably come up with some other fun stuff that we'll work in too. But yeah, we got a nice load of product. I think there are 25, 26 articles going to Jackson Hole here pretty shortly. We'll get the stuff finished up, get it crated on a truck and on its way. And I'm excited to see it get installed, see what it looks like, and maybe the end of the season see some videos and pictures of people riding and enjoying the product. So that's cool.